Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to turn on dark mode in the Facebook app. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Here, you need to click the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and look for dark mode. And click on that and turn it on. And that's it. That's how you turn on dark mode in the Facebook app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!